Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a public repository on GitHub. First, ensure you are logged into your GitHub account. Once logged in, navigate to your dashboard. You will find a prominent New Repository button, typically on the left sidebar or near the top right. Click this button to start. Next, you will need to give your repository a unique and descriptive name. This name helps others understand its purpose. After naming your repository, you must choose its visibility. Select the public option to ensure your project is accessible to everyone on GitHub. This is crucial for open-source collaboration. You can also add an optional description, which is highly recommended to give users a quick overview of what your repository contains. Finally, consider initializing your repository with a README file. This provides an immediate landing page for your project. Before finalizing, think about adding a license. A license specifies how others can use, modify, and distribute your code, which is vital for open-source projects. GitHub offers various common licenses to choose from. You might also want to add a gitignore file to prevent specific files, like temporary build files or sensitive data, from being committed. Once these options are set, simply click the Create Repository button to complete the process. Congratulations, your public repository is now live. The next step is to clone it to your local machine using the provided URL. This allows you to work on your project files directly. Once cloned, you can add your code, documents, or any other project assets, then commit and push your changes back to GitHub. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Happy coding!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.